Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to try to show you an install of a 4-ton heat pump. This is actually the second time I have replaced a system at this house. I did the other one 13 years ago, and this time we're able to install an inverter system that doesn't need heat strips, but we're installing heat strips anyway. The only time they'll ever come on is during defrost. It's a really nice system. The guys helping me did a really good job. Y'all forgive me, some of my video would not upload to my computer like the very beginning, but I'm going to show you basically how it's wired, and if I can, I'm going to show you the wire diagram so that if you buy one of these, you can install it any way you want. The diagram I'm going to show does not come with the equipment. Stay tuned. Okay, this is our air handler. Nothing is wired up yet. This little cable right here is where most of our thermostat wires go. Some of them go up here on this board right there. These power wires are going to go to that breaker. And then the communication wires that go outside go right there. All of that pulled through. Y'all don't pay attention to this 2-wire. That is part of our thermostat wire. We actually had to use more than one thermostat wire to do a Y1 and Y2. Yellow is Y1. This red's going to be our Y2. This is common. Using W1, B like on a ream or rood for the reversing valve, and green. Okay, and our red goes through float switch. Let's make sure it's push the button because it comes tripped. Red is on the float switch, and right here, this is our communication. Black is going to be S1, red is S2. That is this communication cable, and it is, the sheathing is grounded. That's the way it says to wire it up. We're about to find out if it works. And this is just how we're wired outside. S1, S2. This, the shielded part, grounded. 2 power wires. And that's it. We get our disconnect hooked up, we're gonna fire this up. This is air handler. We might have to program that thermostat. You programming that right now?
Yeah. Is this 3 heat, 2 cool?
3 heat, 2 cool, yes.
Air conditioning.
Put it to cool. Turn that choker down. It'll probably have a little bit of a delay. Let me see. I need foam for that. And you can put a P-trap outside, right?
Yep. Putting a P-trap outside.
Alright, by the time I get done filming that, I think I'll be on and running. This thing is super quiet. Okay, we're gonna wait on the phone because they're tightening some stuff up on the ductwork. We're gonna put the P-trap out here. The drain had to be pulled, a whole new drain, because it had a 1/2-inch drain on it. First time this guy's had air conditioning in about a week. I think I condemned it on Friday. Got the equipment 2 days ago. Installing today on Thursday.
You got some heat.
Well, guys, I honestly feel like when I install one of those, that particular model of ACiQ, that I am doing a solid service for my customer. It is high quality equipment, high efficiency. The only time those heat strips are probably ever going to fire up is during defrost. Really nice piece of equipment. I'm proud to put my name on it, and I'm proud to present my bill to my customer because I know I've done a good job. I like it. If y'all like that ACiQ equipment and how easy it is to set up, check out the links in the description. You can either buy some or you can become a dealer. Catch y'all on the next one.